What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we picking up Big Dolo, but I'm hyped. Hey, I'm hyped, man. We picking up Big Dolo. Yes, indeed, man. This thing here is done. Boy, we done, boy. We done. Drivetrain, first one done, man. Like I said, it's my bill. People, you bought it, not built. There's two on there. It's gonna be two there when we do big meets. 2 boxes, all me. Hustle hard power, man. Shout out to Frank Jackson, man, for the killer engine build. Shout out to Showtime transmission rebuild for that bad 400 we got in there. Shout out to Lawless Street Cars for the suspension work, and they're gonna be doing my dialing my suspension in, tuning it, all of that. Man, who else? Rick and turn some wrenches. Shout out to myself. Turn wrenches on that car, man. Hey, it going down, man. We ain't finished. We gonna do the paint at the end of the year, the interior, and all that. But suspension wise, we about to be ready. It's already ready on motor. I already know that. I done tested it. I do a lot of stuff off camera. I done tested. It's ready. It's dead ready on motor. So now, me and Jesse, Lawless, we going to track. We're gonna get some testing in, man. We're gonna see what that big boy kit hitting like. On the radius first, get it dialed in, get the kit dialed in, then we're gonna start tuning suspension on the 26. It's going down. So yeah, man, you know, I'm just showing y'all. We're gonna go, wife gonna drop me off over there at Lawless. We're gonna have to put the plugs in at the track whenever we go. We're gonna put the plugs in, push it down to the box, boom, boom, get the reading on them, and see where we at. But I'm gonna see if I can bump that thing, man. He'll probably bump it through the motor. We'll see what it hitting like. At least bump it one time so y'all can hit it on camera, cause that's all this vlog is about. Going to pick up Big Dolo. Keep y'all in the loop, man. Let y'all know it back home. So without further ado, I'm gonna see y'all at Lawless. All right, y'all, look, we take it in, man. We take it in. We got we over here at Lawless, man. We got Big Dolo. I gotta send a shout out to my boy Hal. What up, Hal? Got him on the vlog, man. Been rocking with Hal for a long time, man. They was just out here talking.
On the driver's side, you'll see.
A long time, man.
On the driver's side, you'll see, Joe.
Yeah, y'all see Fam Blow on the back, always riding with him. Yeah, see, this the OG sticker right here. Grill Race Untamed, been on there from the jump. Then before I even had the JMalcom 2004 stickers, man. That jump still on there. That's why I rock with CVC so heavy, cause man, it been some years. You gotta go back and look at the video, like probably 08, 09, something like that. But y'all see it, Mr. Pure Agony picking it up. Got the Lawless front bump on it. Bad boy tough. Got the Lawless front bump on it. So man, Jesse over there with a customer right now. I'm gonna see if he can bump it through there for y'all. Cause we ain't got the plugs in there right now, but he might be able to bump it. It's a hotter plug in there, but I don't know. He might can just bump it one time so y'all can hear it. Cause other than that, y'all gonna have to wait. But y'all see the new stands. Cause we got the coil overs on there, so it's in lower in the back right now. It's lower in the front too, but they got it set up so it's supposed to do what it do. So this the new stand. They're gonna be the final stand on how Dolo gonna ride and all that. Like I said, they got the thing low, and it's in there. So we ready. We ready, man. When we get in the customer, I'ma holler at him and see can we bump it through there so y'all can hear it. Cause it ready now. It got the gas on it, all that whole nine. Gonna dial it in on radials. Then I'm gonna rent the track, and then we're gonna dial it in on on these 6. See what it do. Y'all stay tuned. Alright. Alright, y'all. Just gonna bump it through for y'all, but it got a lot of bottle pressure right now.
I'm gonna purge it down.
I say, yeah, he gonna purge it down. Thing in the red. Oh yeah, that thing in the red. Might be too high, y'all. That thing there.
The purge won't open once it gets so high.
Shit, I need to take that out though.
Yeah, you can probably crack it loose. You got an adjustable in here.
I ain't got no wrench. Cause it slap in the red.
Yeah. Something's got hot.
Yeah, we're gonna have to let some of that out, y'all. Be on the safe side. Cause it's it's up there. That's why I told y'all I put the empty bottle in there instead of that, cause it get hot in that trunk. It get real hot in that trunk. So we're gonna crack that thing open, cause solenoids won't work and all that, man, when the bottle pressure that high. So you know, we gonna do that. Probably gonna have to do a little trim too, man. I seen where it had caught my fender. It had caught my fender, man, when I turned. So we're gonna trim that a little bit. So, you know, if the wheel was sitting there flush, it'll be straight though. It wouldn't even did that, but you know, like I said, we're gonna have to down trim that up. So yeah, y'all. Jesse cracked it open, letting some of the pressure off. And we're gonna see what it do. Then I will, when I get back to the house, y'all, I will be taking that thing out. Put it back in the garage. So you don't want that right there happening. I probably take it off after he bump it. That'll be on the safe side, so we won't have to. I won't be riding around in the trunk with it. It get hot in the trunk, so y'all just stay tuned. You hit it again, Jess? Y'all see it working now. Go, y'all. Let's go. Still high. Hey, y'all might not see that today. That thing too high. That pressure up there. It's up there, y'all. Press up there, y'all. Get hot in that trunk real quick. Get hot in that trunk real fast, y'all. Working better. Good. yeah, we ready. We ready now. Alright, y'all. I see it back. Got the thing back over here, man. Yeah, y'all heard the Nitrous, man. The Nitrous hit good, man. It hit good. So look, I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. So I'm finna go ahead and get this thing covered up, y'all. Y'all seen the stance on it and all that. Since it got the coilovers and everything on it. So oh, we gotta get the gas out. But I'm gonna go ahead and cover this thing up, and then I close the video out and holler at y'all in the garage. So y'all just stay tuned, man. We're gonna close the thing out. But y'all see Big Dolo back. Big Dolo back is done. Finally. Bad boy done, man. The Nitrous hit. The coilovers doing what they supposed to. The car separating from the rear end, the body separating from the rear end. I can feel it. Boom. That's how you want it instead of squat. It ain't squat no more. It got separation. And the bad boy ready. Look at that. Bad boy ready, man. That's how it's supposed to be. But I'm gonna get this thing covered up, then I'll holler at y'all in the garage. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. It's nighttime, man. I'm up here, I got the fooling around and stuff, and I said, man, I forgot to close the video out. So man, y'all see Big Dolo is back home. Big Dolo finished. Boy, that I don't know how it sounded on camera, but that gas bumping through there. Boy, that's it. That's it, man. That gas bumping through there. Let me let this rod down, man. I don't know why I let it up. But that gas bumping through there, boy. That something here good, man. I got to shout out, like I said, I got to shout out my guy Jesse, man, the Lawless Street Car crew, all of them, man. I got to shout out to everybody over there, man. Them guys do some awesome work and all that, man. They got down, man. Quick turnaround. They got me out in 2 days. 2 days, man. They got me out in 2 days. Tuned it, stepped the pills up, jetted it, flowed it, all that stuff. They did everything, man. Everything. Shocks, adjusted ride height, boom, boom. Start me out with a little setting already. We ready to go, man. I got to shout out Lawless, man. Numbers on the screen. Well, I put it on screen earlier, I should say. Numbers on screen earlier. But Big Dolo back. I'm just keeping y'all along the way with every step. We ready to go. We ready to roll, man. So next dry day, going to track, man. Me and Jesse hitting the track up, and I'm gonna be on the sticky shoes or whatever, or I'm probably gonna rent the track for that. I don't want to show everybody just yet. I'm gonna rent the track for that, cause I already know what this thing gonna do. I know what it did on motor with scrubbing the tires, and what else? Oh, we had the fuel cutting out. It was busting up, which you can see in the video if you look back. It clear as day, busting up, and I had them heavy 15s on the front, and I already was satisfied. So if in the pick up on the motor already, I can tell driving, I can feel it picked up on the motor, and then when I put the front runners on right here, it's going even faster. And now we got the gas on the official ready, so it about to go down, man. Like I said, Dolo complete. Dolo drivetrain complete. Only thing I'm gonna do is put a progressive control on there for the wheels, but I'm ready to hit the thing spread now. I'm gonna work that button right now, see what I can do. I had Nitrous under my control. Gonna be kind of violent on some 26 inch wheels. I ain't got no sidewalls and none of that, so it's tuning, man. It's all gonna be in shock and suspension. But me and Jesse, we're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna get down on these 26s. The car make just enough power to do what I wanted to do. It ain't big dog power. But y'all know Big Dog, man. My guy Boost Doctor, Don't Master, all them. They're my guy, man. Shout out to my fam Boost Doctor and all them. But you know, it don't make that type of power. Meech will. I'm just being honest. Meech will. But Dolo makes some good power. Everything do. I'm telling you, man, one thing about these videos, I see I have gullible people be in the comments. Don't believe half of what you hear, or whatever they say. Believe half of what you see and none of what you hear. That's what I'm saying. I'm telling you, man, it's some gullible people. I have seen that. You catch a lot of people slipping, cause I have people talk about in the grudge game, right? Y'all, if you're on my Facebook, you know what I mean. They be like, man, the videos be scaring people away. Here I am, and I'm gonna do this at the end of the year. I'm gonna reveal to people why. I'm gonna say, look at what I did, and this is how you make this work. Cause I got some gullible people in the comments, boy. I got some gullible people in the comments, and I got them working. Don't know I got them working. But anyway, and the show goes on. The movie rolls on. We're gonna keep rolling. We're gonna keep moving. All of that. So all my real BCG, they come through every day. I appreciate y'all. Man, I'm turning up for us. And it's about to be showtime. John Jones is complete. Dolo is complete. There's 2 down. It's about to be showtime. People gonna see why I do stuff the way I do it. Get your program together. Then you go out there and kick ass. That's what you do. Get your program together. Go out there half step. And then boom. Y'all seen when I ran Dolo? I made 1 shakedown. I put on the trailer. I'm like, I see what I need to see. I seen my ticket. See what my car was doing. I'm ready. Make the changes. Now I'm ready. Now watch what's gonna happen. Y'all know now. This year, everything I've been saying, I've been doing. It's been happening. I'm not a capper. So, anyway, man, Big Dolo back. We ready. Shout out to Lawless, man. I'm out of this thing. I just came here to do the outro. BCG.